Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make banana popsicles. So, first thing you need is one banana, a whole cup of milk, and a blender. I have a Ninja blender right here. So, what you want to do, well, I'm going to set this camera down for a second. Now I'm going to go get a butter knife so I can cut the banana. Okay. Now I'm going to peel the banana. Okay. Now you just want to cut it into nice sections. So I'm going to cut it. Oh, just cut the end off. I'm just gonna set the camera down for this part because you guys know how to cut bananas. Okay, so I'm almost done cutting the bananas now. So now lift this up. Now you just want to put all your bananas in the cup like that. Yeah, sorry, I had the light turned off like that. Now you want to carefully, see, we have to get the milk in there, so you want to carefully, oh, come on. There we go. Now, I'm going to wipe this up. I only got a tiny bit of milk there, but I recommend just pouring the, oh yeah, you do have to measure it, so yeah. Now that we got our banana and milk mixture, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to get some honey. Now, I'm not going to have exact measurement for this, but I'll just say, actually, I will do exact measurement, just like get a normal teaspoon. On a teaspoon. If you want it sweeter, you can double it, but I think a teaspoon is a decent amount. So we're just going to pour the honey on the spoon. Thank you. Thank you very much. I have the honey now. Okay. I want to empty it in here. We actually use our knife we used to cut the banana to scrape the honey off the spoon. So you want to get all that honey. You don't want to waste it. Or you could just lick the spoon. There we go. Okay, so now our honey's in there. What we want to do is, now I'm going to put the lid on here, the blending lid. That noise in the background is my dog drinking water. But now we blend it. This might be a little loud, but here we go. zipper. Okay, now just shake it around a little bit. Make sure you get all the honey. Okay. And it should look white like that. Now we want to open up the lid. And then, now I will drag our, I am missing one of these, because we just did make mango popsicles, and we lost one of it. But anyways, what you want to do is, fill them up. So, oh, I spilled some. Fill them up to about like that much, so they won't overfill. Just press it in there. Bend this back a little bit. Try to get it straight, so it's right in the middle, so it's easy to get out. But you guys probably have other popsicle molds. I'm just going to pour the rest of them without showing it, because it's easier to do that. And you guys might have, what I was going to say, you guys might have different popsicle molds, so just use your popsicle molds how they're meant to use, but yeah. Oh. But if you want to get popsicle molds, these are, and you want them to be like this. And these are the, it's like CHUZY, chef, like shuzi, I don't know how to say it. Yeah, and we didn't have that much popsicle stuff left. You guys can double it if you want to make more, if you have like one with 8. But, like, just pour less if you don't want to double it. And then this is the last popsicle stick. Okay. Then you want to just put them in the freezer. You gotta keep them upright so they don't spill. And yeah, that's it. So if you want, here they are. If you want to like and subscribe, you can. Hope you enjoyed this video and you learned how to make banana popsicles. And bye.